Okay students, now we are going to see factorization using more than one identity. Okay, here I have taken example of identity 2 and identity 3 both. Okay, you know this is identity 2, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square, and identity 3, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. First bracket has plus sign and second bracket has minus sign. Okay, now see the question. The first part of the question has three terms. Okay, and if you look at all the terms very carefully and compare it with identity 2, you will find that it can be converted into a square minus 2ab plus b square. See how. 64 is square of 8, so it can be written as 8m whole square. Then 81 n square can be written as 9n whole square. Okay, and then middle term 24mn can be written as 2 into a into b in this form. If you multiply it again, 2 into 8 16, 69s are 144 mn. Fine. So the first part of the question can easily be written in the form of identity 2, LHS of identity 2. Fine. So when it has taken the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, then you can write it a minus b whole square. It can be written. So a is 8m minus b is 9n. Okay, whole square. After the use of identity 2, now the role of 25p square starts. 25 is also a perfect square. It can be written as 5p whole square. Now it has taken the form of identity 3. See, this part is a square minus b square. See, compare the LHS of identity 3 with this part, a square minus b square. So you can write it a plus b. This is a part, a plus 5p is b part, a plus b and a minus b. And after that you remove this small bracket. ये हटा देते हैं यहाँ से. Okay, from here also remove the small bracket. Okay, but you may also get a question where this 25p is written in the first and this part is written next. There also you have to solve this part first. Okay, same thing, whatever you have done here, same thing you will be doing here also. 64m square can be written as 8m whole square. 81n square can be written as 9n whole square, and then middle part 2ab in that way. Okay, then a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. After the use of identity 2, you will see 25p square can also be written as 5p whole square. Okay, now it has converted into identity number 3, a square minus b square. So you will write a plus b, this is a part, it will be written first, plus then this is b part will be written, and a minus b. Okay, now you will remove the small bracket. In the first part you will have no problem because just outside this bracket there is plus sign, so plus into minus, it will remain minus only. But when you will remove this small bracket, then minus into minus, here it will become plus. Okay, so these two are very important questions where multiple identities are used for factorization. Okay, practice them at home because they are very important. Thank you.